Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about Boost Mobile. So Boost Mobile has a limited time deal going on right now. So before I get further into the video, I'd like to give a big shout out to Dronic Warfare. He did a video about this on his channel, so I will have a link to his video down below. So if you guys are looking to switch carriers and y'all guys want to try out Boost Mobile, y'all guys are in for a great deal here. So this is for new customers only, of course. So if you guys want to check this out, of course I will have a link to this down below. So it says here, try our all new 5G network for 99 cents. That is right, 99 cents for 1 month, a 2 GB plan. So you're basically getting your first month for $1, so that is pretty fucking sweet. So $1, that's a fucking win. Like I said, this is for new customers only. So if you guys are looking to switch carriers and y'all guys want to try out Boost Mobile, this is your chance to do so. So this is a limited time offer. So anyways, y'all guys get 93% off 2 GB plan, which is $15 plan. Free SIM kit, which is a $9.99 value. That will be free, and you also get free shipping as well, which is a $4.99 value. So you're getting that for free shipping and a free SIM card and all that. Basically $1. So that's a win. And you guys will have to enter in your zip code and your email address to see if your location qualifies. So that is pretty cool. Yeah, I think this is a really cool deal, and I think that Boost Mobile might actually see people actually switch over to Boost Mobile because of this deal right here. $1 for your first month of service, that's a win. So y'all guys can see right here, plans starting at $15 a month, 2 GB of 5G, 4G LTE data. You guys will get unlimited talk and text, of course, mobile hotspot. Your data is not unlimited. You guys will be capped at the 2 gigs. So do keep that in mind. So if you guys have Wi-Fi at your house, I guess this would be a good plan for you. But if you guys don't have Wi-Fi at your house, I would stay away from this plan, because you guys get 2 GB of data a month, and that is it. I think you can buy more data if you guys need to. So it says here, new customers only, 5G service requires compatible devices. 5G is not available everywhere. Online only. After your first month, you will pay $15 a month. For iPhone, requires iOS 15.2 or higher. So yeah, you guys have to be a new customer. You guys have to have a 5G compatible phone. Online only, and after your first month, it's $15 after your first month. So your first month is $1. Then after that, it's $15 after that. And if you guys are getting an iPhone or whatever, you guys have to have iOS 15.2. So I say more power to save. Plan set at $15 a month, no annual service contracts, unlimited talk and text, free shipping, works on most unlike the GSM phone. So you basically gotta bring your own phone basically here. So y'all guys can go to Amazon, Best Buy, or whatever to get your phone. Bring your phone into Boost Mobile, and yeah, I suggest you guys read this page, carefully. Read it very carefully. Switching to Boost Mobile is easy as 1, 2, 3. Says here, get your SIM card, order your SIM card, pick your plan. While we ship your SIM card, decide what data plan you need. Activate your phone. When your SIM arrives, follow the steps to activate your Boost Mobile service. So, yeah. So there's the 5G network. Y'all guys could see if you guys can get 5G. Says 5G is not available everywhere though, so yeah. So I think this is a really cool deal. I think that Boost Mobile will get a lot of customers with this. I'm sure a lot of people would be interested to try out Boost Mobile. Y'all guys know that Boost Mobile now runs on the AT&T network now. So y'all guys will be getting that SIM card right here. I guess y'all guys will be getting that 5G SIM card. So that is cool, obviously, because 5G is the new thing, and everyone wants 5G, of course. So they'll send you a free 5G SIM card that's included for free, and you guys will also get free shipping. And your first month of service is $1, and you guys are getting the 2 GB plan, which is the value of $15 a month. So it doesn't hurt to try it out for a month to see how the service is for you. I think this is a great deal, and I think that people would actually try it. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't hurt to try it out. It's only $1, so you're not really losing much if you guys don't like the service. Hopefully that you get your money back. Hopefully, I don't know if you would. Maybe you would get your money back, but it's only 99 cents. So, if you guys like it, that's cool. If you guys don't, I guess you could get your 99 cents back. So, yeah, I think that this is a really cool deal that Beast Mobile is doing. This is a limited time offer only, so this is for new customers only, online only. It's very easy. Enter in your zip code and enter in your email address. Very simple, and you have to be a new customer, of course, for this to work. Obviously, if you're a current customer, it will not work. So try it out to see if Beast Mobile is right for you, and if you guys like it, you guys could continue to use the service or cancel the service. So it's definitely worth trying it out for a month to see if Beast Mobile is good for you or not. It's not bad for $1, so why not try it out for $1, right? Plus you're getting a free SIM card and you're getting free shipping. So the only thing you're paying is $1 for the plan, and that is it. They're giving you the SIM card for free and free shipping. So that's like what, $15 savings right there. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty cool about Boost Mobile to do that, and I think that it will get people to try out Boost Mobile, and I think this will actually get Boost Mobile some new customers here from this deal here alone. So try it out and to see if Boost Mobile is right for you. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.